When it comes to enhancing both the beauty and functionality of your home, few features make as strong an impression as bay windows. For homeowners in Eagle, where scenic views and inviting home designs are highly valued, bay windows offer a smart and stylish upgrade that delivers lasting benefits. Bay windows are designed to extend outward from your home's exterior, typically consisting of 3 panels, a larger center window flanked by 2 angled side windows. This unique structure not only adds dimension to your home's facade but also creates additional space inside, making any room feel more open and expansive. One of the most noticeable advantages of bay windows is the boost they provide to curb appeal. From the outside, they add architectural interest and character, helping your home stand out in the neighborhood. Whether your home leans toward a traditional or modern style, bay windows bring a sense of depth and sophistication that instantly elevates its appearance. Inside your home, the benefits are just as impressive. The extended design allows more natural light to enter from multiple angles, brightening your living space throughout the day. In Eagle, where homeowners appreciate both natural beauty and comfortable interiors, this added light creates a warm, welcoming environment that enhances everyday living. Bay windows also offer panoramic views that standard flat windows simply can't match. By opening up your sightlines, they allow you to enjoy your surroundings in a more immersive way. Whether it's a peaceful backyard, landscape garden, or neighborhood view, bay windows help bring the outdoors in, making your home feel more connected to its environment. Another reason bay windows are such a smart design choice is the added interior space they create. The outward projection forms a cozy nook that can be used in a variety of ways. Many homeowners in Eagle transform this space into a reading corner, a window seat, or even a small dining area. This added functionality not only improves your daily living experience but also increases the usable square footage of your home. Versatility is a key advantage as well. Bay windows can be customized to fit different room types and design preferences. In a living room, they can serve as a focal point that enhances the overall layout. In a bedroom, they can create a relaxing retreat filled with natural light. In a kitchen, they can open up the space and provide a perfect spot for plants or decor. No matter where they're installed, bay windows add both style and practicality. Energy efficiency is another important consideration. Modern bay windows are built with advanced materials and glass technologies that help regulate indoor temperatures. When properly installed, they can reduce drafts and improve insulation, helping your home stay comfortable year-round. This is especially valuable for homeowners looking to balance style with long-term savings on energy costs. In addition to their visual and functional benefits, bay windows can also increase your home's value. Buyers are often drawn to unique architectural features that enhance both aesthetics and usability. A well-designed bay window can make a lasting impression, setting your home apart and making it more appealing in a competitive market. Maintenance is easier than many homeowners expect. With today's durable materials and finishes, bay windows are designed to withstand the elements while maintaining their appearance. With regular cleaning and care, they can continue to look beautiful and perform well for years to come. Ultimately, bay windows offer a combination of elegance, versatility, and practicality that makes them a smart investment for Eagle homeowners. They enhance curb appeal, brighten interiors, and create functional spaces that improve how you live in your home. If you're looking for a way to elevate your home's design while adding comfort and value, bay windows are a choice that delivers on every level.